Yo Longhairs, El Rubio here, and we are just coming off the 121st US Open held at Torrey Pines, and I can tell you, the rough is thick. Now a lot of you guys have started golfing, a lot of you guys have been golfing for a long time. What do you do with your hair when you're out there on the old links? Well, you know, golf can be a little pretentious, so sometimes it's nice to just let it ride, make some of the old guys feel a little uncomfortable out there. But there are times when you might be lining up a birdie putt and a little breeze will literally blow your hair into your face, obscuring your vision and ruining a perfectly good birdie opportunity. You don't want that, and we don't want that. So what I like to do, if I'm not just gonna do a standard men's tail, I'm gonna do a little side braid, okay? Keeps it out of the way, keeps it off your neck, nice and cool. It's an optimal hairstyle for being out on the golf course. So here's how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna start out just with a standard men's tail and take it to a side braid from there. Should you need a more in-depth tutorial with more specific instructions, search our YouTube channel for how to twist a side braid for men, and you'll be dialed. Boom! Now you're ready to go out there and hit some bombs. Bonus points if you could do it with no mirror. Double points if you can do it while driving on your way to the golf course, while lacing up your spikes because you're late for your tee time. And triple bonus points if you can do it with your golf glove on number one, because you just didn't give yourself enough time for a few warm-up swings. So that is my suggestion for how to wear your hair when you're out on the golf course and you're just hitting bombs and knocking down birdies all day long. Ooh. That's it for now, boys. Till next time, see you on the links. See you. In the words of Manolo, that's it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and go check out our secondary channel, Let It Ride, for Longhairs lifestyle and entertainment. Till next time, boys, I'm gonna be out there hitting the links. See you.